how I'm going to show you how to do the peeling strength test of pressure sensitive tape by using Instraton tester. So what you need to do, first turn the machine on, then open the software Blue Hill. Then you can see a couple of options. So before going for test, just click on method. So by default there are a lot of standard ASTM standard. So if you do tensile testing, or if you want to do other feeling instant testing, whatever, so if the previous person use any ASTM standard, then you can find it. So I'm going to use ASTM F88 standard for feeling standard test. So just click here. So you see the in general method, so I want to use all. Then click sample, you need to write it down, the sample name. Then this is the standard, so you can choose any one, so I choose this one. So this is graph results test input. Then go to specimen, so you need to select what kind of a specimen. So if you want to use tensile testing for dog bone, you can use that one. For mine case, it is peeling test, so it's rectangular, so it was 1 for mine. So for peeling strength, you don't need to input about the thickness, it doesn't matter, but you can, I just wrote it down 1 milli-inch. Then length, what's about that, the for peeling strength test, so this is the bar you use, so this is the 5 inch, so around 2.5 I can use, or 2. Then it doesn't matter for a lot of them. Control, so it's ASTM standard 5 millimeter per second or 300 millimeter per minute, whatever you use, this is the same thing. Then so this is the end test, what when you want to stop, so you need to play with your sample data, strain alert. So this is the rest of things, so you need to see how you want to get your graph, x axis millimeter and y axis, that is. So once you set up everything, go to the home button and click test. Then once you click the test, so you already selected, then go to the next. You have to write it down, your name and file name. By you can go browse to select it, I have already selected. Go to the next, so you can see the materials name 5 millimeter per second, go next. Then your sample width, because the tape I so you can see that that is almost 2 inch, because it's not half, so the 2 inch area will be covered for testing purpose. So I wrote it down 2. Then go next, write down the sample name. Once done, then click balance load, then click start. You can see So you can see that for your results, what you need to do, you need to take the average force from this point to that point. You don't need to go for maximum force. But somebody report for maximum force. So ASTM standard said that you should follow the average force between this horizontal line. So that's get the value and you can get the force. So now then you can measure the strength using the area. The width you use 25 millimeter or 1 inch. So if you count that one, then you can measure the strength. So that's simple. Okay, once you get that one, you can go next. You can go finish, again finish, then finish button. Do you want to? No, I'm not going to. So that's done. And once you do, your results will come in. This is the results. So if you do multiple results, it will come appear as a Word file. You can see with time, extension, load, tensile stress, tensile strain. You can get this data. Okay, I think that will help you for your experiment for peeling strand of pressure sensitive adhesive. If you like my video, please subscribe my video and keep with me for new updated video.